Welcome back to the channel and subscribe if you haven't. You're going to open your Capcut and add your background photo or video. After adding your background, adjust it to fit the size of the screen and check to see if it fits the dimensions that you want. You're going to click on overlay and go to stock videos to add a background. Go ahead and click the black background stock video. Adjust your background image or video to fit with the stock video. Once you're done adjusting your background video, go ahead and click on overlay, click on the stock video that we added and adjust it according to the size of the screen or the dimensions that you want. Once you're done with that, you're going to go back and click on text and add the text that you want. Here I wrote my name VK, then I went ahead and chose a font that I like. I picked the Hope font. Write the text that you want to appear on your video or on your photo. Then you can go ahead and choose any other fonts that you feel like that are pleasing to your eyes. But here I went with Hope because it's the aesthetic of it. Once you're done, adjust the text to fit the screen. Place it in the middle. Make sure that it is correctly fitting the video in your production. After you're done, go ahead and take a screenshot of the text because you're going to use it in the next steps of the video. Crop it so you can have a nice resized size of text. Save it, and then we're going to go back into our video. We're going to start again. You're going to delete the text that we had written. You're going to delete the dark stock video that we had put. After you've deleted everything, we're going to click on overlay, then go ahead and import the screenshot that we took earlier. Resize it again to cover your background video or image and stretch the screenshot to be the same length as the background of your video. Once you're done, go back to the menu and click the blend options. Then go ahead and choose the overlay effect that you like. In this case, I chose the last overlay because it gives that pop with the text that I want, the clear pink or purple color that I want. Then we're going to go ahead and go back to the background of your video and click on effects, and then make your background to move or give that effect to give an appealing look. And then after this, you'll be done with your video production, and that is how you make a glowy text on your video. So go right ahead and comment down below what you liked about this video, and subscribe if you haven't, like, comment or share if you'd like.